Now students, see page number 28. I am reading the problem, this paragraph. The permanent settlement. However, created problems. Permanent settlement, which was introduced in 1793 by company for collecting revenue income. It created problems. Company officials means officers, soon discovered that the zamindars were in fact not investing in the improvement of land. Company officers, they knew that those who were the zamindars, they were not interested to invest their money in the improvement of the land. Why? There were so many reasons. First one was the revenue that had been fixed was so high that the zamindars found it difficult to pay. This was one of the problem. Whatever the fixed amount which they had to pay to the company, that was so high. So zamindars, they could not pay. For paying, that was difficult. They could not pay. They were unable to pay to the company because of the high amount, whatever the fixed. Anyone who failed to pay the revenue lost his zamindari. Now those who were unable to pay revenue amount, so their zamindaris, they had to lost their zamindaris. Their zamindaris were, we can say, the lost. Why? Because they were unable to pay fixed revenue to the company. So they had to face this, also one of the problem. Anyone who failed to pay the revenue lost his zamindaris. Numerous, underline numerous means many. Numerous zamindaris were sold off. So, okay, many zamindaris. The zamindars who were unable to pay revenue, so their zamindaris were sold off at auctions. Auction means here public sale. Means zamindaris were sold by the company. Why? Because they were unable to pay revenue to the company. So East India Company sold their zamindaris at a public places. It's called the selling at public. Selling public, okay, we can say the auctions, at auctions. Public sale means auctions. Underline and write down meaning. Organized by the company. This was organized by the company for collecting revenue by selling zamindaris, their zamindaris, okay, those who were the zamindar, rajas and talukdars. Now see this paragraph. By the first decade of the 19th century, the situation changed. The first decade of 19th century. Now at the beginning of the 19th century, situation changed. The prices in the market rose and cultivation slowly expanded. The market price increased, as well as the cultivation slowly developed and improved, as well as the expanded. This meant an increase in the income of the zamindars because of the situation changed. So prices also rose, market price rose, and cultivation also developed. So the zamindars, they could earn good, something good as compared the previous, because of the situation changed. When? At the beginning of the 19th century. An increase in the income of zamindars, but no gain. Here no gain means benefit. But zamindars, they were getting something good, but no gain for the company. No gain for the company means, but company was not getting proper benefit as zamindars at the beginning of the 19th century, because of the situation changed in the market and in the agricultural field. No gain for the company, since it could not increase a revenue demand that had been fixed permanently. Zamindars, they were earning lot of, and company, East India Company, could not increase the revenue amount also, because already fixed as per the permanent settlement terms and rules. Now see this paragraph, this one. Even the zamindars did not have an interest in improving the land, and zamindars also, they were not interested to improve their land for the agricultural purpose. Some had lost their lands in the earlier years of the settlement. Some zamindars, they lost their lands. Others now saw the possibility of earning without the trouble and risk of investment because of the changing situation. So some zamindars, they saw that they could earn easily without investment and without any trouble. As long as the zamindars could give out the land to tenants and get rent. So zamindars, they give their lands, fields to the tenants, means to renters for cultivation, and they, by giving the land as rent to the tenants, now they could easily get a rent from the tenants. They were not interested in improving the land. They were interested only getting the rent from the tenants. They were not interested to invest their money to improve their land, etc. Now see this paragraph. See the page number 29. On the other hand, in the villages, in the countryside, another situation. The cultivator means person who prepares land for planting, means farmers. On the other hand, in the villages, the cultivator found the system extremely oppressive. Oppressive means cruel, unfair. Farmers, they saw that permanent settlement was cruel method, unfair method, not good method for them. The rent he paid to the zamindar. The farmers, they had to pay rent to the zamindars. So whatever the rent amount, which was high, and his right on the land was insecure, they had to pay high rent. After paying the high rent, now their right on the land was Insecure means they were not secured after paying the high rent. To pay the rent, he had to often take a loan from the money lender for paying the rent. Whatever the fixed rent. Now they had to pay rent to the zamindars. So sometime they had to take loan from the money lenders. And when he failed to pay the rent, he was evicted from the land. Evicted means forced to leave a place. Means those who failed to pay the rent. So they had to leave their places forcefully from their land. He had cultivated for generations the land which he had cultivated from generations for generations. If they unable to pay rent, so forcefully they had to leave their land. This was the another problem they faced. So permanent settlement started in 1793, but we saw so many problems also. So next we will read in next clip.